Want to make your first $1,000 in savings? Do you want to know the secret to saving your first $1,000? If you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck and want to build a solid financial foundation, you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to break down practical, actionable steps to help you reach that first major savings milestone. Building up a savings account may seem daunting, but with the right strategies and mindset, you'll be amazed at how quickly you can reach your goal. This channel provides valuable advice on money management and finance mindset. So if you enjoy what we do, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Understanding the importance of savings. First things first, let's talk about why saving is crucial. Having savings gives you financial security and peace of mind. It protects you from unexpected expenses and provides a safety net when life throws you curveballs like car repairs or medical bills. Not to mention, reaching that first $1,000 can be a huge motivator to keep going and build an even bigger financial cushion. Think of savings as your financial freedom fund. The more you save, the more options you have. You can travel, invest in your education, or even start your own business. The sky's the limit once you build up a solid savings habit. Setting a clear goal. To start, set a clear, achievable goal. Saving your first $1,000 is a fantastic milestone, but it helps to break it down into smaller, manageable goals. For example, aim to save $100 this month. This makes the goal less intimidating and gives you quick wins that keep you motivated. Once you hit that first $100, celebrate. Whether it's treating yourself to your favorite coffee or enjoying a fun night out with friends, acknowledging your accomplishments is vital for keeping up the momentum. Creating a budget. Next up, let's talk about budgeting. Creating a budget is one of the most effective ways to manage your money and set aside savings. A simple way to budget is the 50-30-20 rule. Allocate 50% of your income for needs, like rent and groceries, 30% for wants, like entertainment, and 20% for savings. Start by tracking your expenses for a month. Use a budgeting app or a simple spreadsheet to see where your money's going. Once you have a clear picture, identify areas where you can cut back. Maybe you don't need that daily coffee run or those streaming subscriptions you barely use. Every little bit counts. Automating your savings. Automation is key to successful saving. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to your savings account every payday. This way, you won't even miss the money, and it will help you build your savings effortlessly. Consider starting with a small amount, like $25 or $50. As you get used to this new habit, you can gradually increase the amount. By automating your savings, you're prioritizing your financial future without having to think about it. Finding additional income. Sometimes saving more means finding additional income sources. Look for side hustles that fit your skills and schedule. Whether it's freelancing, babysitting, or selling handmade crafts online, every extra dollar counts. Use this extra income solely for your savings goal. Think about your hobbies and interests. Is there a way to turn them into a side gig? If you love photography, consider offering your services for events or portraits. If you enjoy writing, explore freelance writing opportunities. Turning your passions into profits is not only rewarding, but can significantly boost your savings. Cutting unnecessary expenses. To save effectively, you may need to cut some unnecessary expenses. Review your spending habits and look for non-essential items. Do you really need that new outfit or another pair of shoes? Instead, challenge yourself to a no-spend month where you only buy essentials. This can help you save more and reassess your wants versus needs. You'd be surprised how much you can save by eliminating small unnecessary purchases. Instead of grabbing takeout for lunch every day, meal prep for the week, or cook at home. This not only saves money, but can also be healthier. Using savings challenges. Savings challenges are a fun way to keep your motivation high. Try the 52-week savings challenge. Save $1 the first week, $2 the second week, and so on. By the end of the year, you'll have saved over $300. You can also try a no-spend challenge, where you avoid non-essential spending for a week or month. Get your friends involved. Create a friendly competition where you all aim to save a certain amount by a set date. This camaraderie can make saving more enjoyable and motivating. Understanding the power of interest. As you start saving, it's essential to understand the power of interest. Look for a high-yield savings account that offers better interest rates than traditional savings accounts. This way, your money can grow even faster while you save. The earlier you start saving, the more time your money has to grow through compound interest. This is interest earned on both the original amount and the interest that has been added. Over time, compound interest can significantly increase your savings, allowing you to reach your goals faster. Staying committed and adjusting goals. Staying committed to your savings goals can be challenging, especially with life's temptations. It's important to remind yourself of why you're saving. Write down your reasons and keep them visible. Maybe you want to travel, start a business, or simply feel more secure. Whatever it is, keeping your goals front and center can help you stay motivated. As you progress, don't be afraid to adjust your goals. If you find you're consistently hitting your target, challenge yourself to save even more. Conversely, if you hit a rough patch, it's okay to reevaluate your targets. Flexibility is key. Tracking your progress. Keep track of your savings journey. Regularly check your savings account balance and celebrate your milestones. When you hit $500, treat yourself. This doesn't mean breaking the bank, but acknowledging your hard work can keep your spirits high. Using an app or a simple chart to visualize your progress can also be incredibly motivating. Seeing how far you've come can inspire you to keep pushing forward toward your goal of $1,000 and beyond. Conclusion. In conclusion, saving your first $1,000 is an achievable goal that can set the foundation for your financial future. By setting clear goals, creating a budget, automating your savings, finding additional income, cutting unnecessary expenses, using savings challenges, understanding the power of interest, staying committed, and tracking your progress, you can reach this milestone faster than you think. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like it and subscribe to our channel. We're here to provide you with valuable insights and tips to help you on your journey to financial success. Let's work together to make your first $1,000 in savings a reality.